Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I am so happy to have you here today. Today, we have a very special story for you. It is called The Value of Time. This story will teach us something very important, so let's listen carefully. Once upon a time, in a small, cozy village, lived a young boy named Leo. Leo was a very kind and curious boy. He loved to play and explore. But Leo had a problem. He often did not finish his chores. He would say, "Oh, I have plenty of time." His mother would ask him to help in the garden or to clean his room. But Leo would always say, "Later, Mama, I will do it later." He would rather play with his friends or watch the clouds float by. One sunny afternoon, Leo was playing by the river. He saw an old man sitting on a log. The old man had a long white beard, and his eyes were full of wisdom. Leo walked up to him and asked, "Hello, sir. What are you doing?" The old man smiled kindly. He said, "I am watching the river flow, young one." "The river always flows," Leo said. "Yes," the old man replied, "and it never stops. Just like time," he added softly. Leo thought about this. He had never really thought about time before. He just knew he had it. The old man continued, "Time is like this river, Leo. Once it flows past, it never comes back. Every moment is precious. And once it is gone forever." Leo looked at the flowing water. He saw leaves floating on the surface. They were carried away by the current. He thought about all the times he said, "later." He thought about the chores he did not do. He felt a little sad. He realized that he had wasted many moments that could have been spent helping his mother, or learning something new, or even just enjoying the sunshine with his family. He looked back at the old man. "Thank you, sir," Leo said sincerely. "You have taught me something very important today." The old man smiled again. "Remember this, Leo," he said. "Make every moment count. Use your time wisely." Leo went home. He went straight to his room, and he started cleaning it. He put away his toys. He made his bed. His mother was surprised. She asked, "Leo, what are you doing?" Leo smiled. "I am using my time wisely, Mama," he said. "I want to help you." From that day on, Leo changed. He still loved to play and explore, but he also made sure to finish his tasks. He helped his mother in the garden. He helped his father with the wood. He spent time reading books, and he always remembered the old man's words. Time is like a river. Once it flows past, it never comes back. Leo learned that time is a gift, and it is important to use this gift well. He learned to appreciate every single moment, and he became a very happy and responsible young boy. And that is the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed the value of time. Remember, just like Leo, try to use your time wisely. Make every moment count. Thank you for joining us today. We will have another wonderful story for you next time. Until then, keep practicing your English and keep learning. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English stories for beginners.